Hello everyone, our topic is dog food made with Ugly Food and Offal, supervised by Professor Liu and conducted by Kevin Choi and Shelley Zhou. Firstly, I will briefly talk about our background of this project. Due to the increase of landfills, the pollution problem was enhanced. In order to reduce the amount of food waste sent to landfills, we proposed to upcycle ugly food and offal as pet food. For our objective, through this project, I hope we can make use of the unused food and encourage people to give ugly food a second chance but not send them to landfill. In addition, as there are too many recipes for making pet dog food, we hope we can find the best cooking method to optimize the texture and keep the most nutrients. Before starting to make dog food, we have done a lot of research. We have found out the food requirements of dogs and the ingredients that we can make use of. For the requirements, dog needs protein, fat, fiber, and water. For protein and fat, they are the main energy resources. And here's are some examples of the ingredients like carrots, spinach, broccoli, and sweet potato. For the offal, here's are some examples like chicken liver, chicken heart, beef liver, and chicken leg. Liver is an excellent source of vitamin A. We should note that too much vitamin A will cause bone deformities, weakened muscle, digestive trouble, and weight loss. Therefore, we should not include too much liver in a pack of pet food.
In order to achieve the more nutritionally balanced dog food, different ingredients have their own amounts. As mentioned before, protein and fats are the important energy supply, so meats will take up the largest percentage, at least down to offal 25%, non-starchy vegetable 20%, and starchy vegetable 15%. There are also something we should avoid. First, we should not feeding the dog with raw green beans, because they contain a toxic alkaloid similar to arsenic, so we should cook the beans so that the toxin can be destroyed. Second, avoiding the raw unaged garlic, as it irritates the mouth, esophagus, and stomach, and can cause or exacerbate ulcer. We have tried several different cooking methods, and the following are the most successful steps. First, prepare the required amount of portions. Secondly, chop them up for the next steps. Third, put them into blender and make sure they are blended into puree. The fourth step is to add the vegetable. In order to keep the dry food from getting too wet, we recommend that the vegetables be baked in the oven until they are dry, then continue blending. Fifth, lay the puree on a sheet of tin foil. Try to avoid thickening it, and place it in the oven. Finally, slice or dice the finished product. After finishing, we try to give the food to different dogs. 2 were domestic dogs and the rest were strays. We think the result is still satisfactory, and there are some reasons for the failure. First, each dog has its own preferences and cannot match the tastes of everyone. Second, for strays, since we have compared with the dog food from other brands, although they choose other, but it does not mean that our dog food is a failure. And the last is, since human tastes are different from those of animal, what we think is delicious, animals do not think so. So it is difficult to create a food that meets 100% of the preferences. And there is some clips.